Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking boats today, and in today's video, we are going to be working at my parents' pontoon and replacing the old rocker switch covers with brand new ones. Let's get started. All right, DIYers, I've made my way to my parents on board, coming to the captain's seat, and to the right of the steering wheel and to the left of the shift lever. You see all of our rocker switches right there. And scrolling above right now, as well as down below in the commentary and description, video link number 1 is a link on replacing your horn switch. However, in addition to that and below are all of our rocker switches, and as you can see, we are missing the accessories switch. We've got the red lenses. You do have an option between blue lenses, red lenses, and you even have an option of white rocker switches and red. However, down below in the comments and description will be a variety of options in regards to rocker switch covers and lens colors. However, as you can see right here, I can just pull these off really easy. And here's a close-up of it and the back side, as you see. And we're basically going to order brand new ones. In front of us now are boxes of brand new rocker switches, and one set is red lenses and the other set is blue lenses. I'm going to show you both. Next removed from the box is the brand new set of rocker switch covers, and these are the red lenses, and it comes with a little remover tool, and basically you just stick it underneath the current rocker switch cover installed, pop it out. However, again, ours are so old they just fall off. And I'm going to pull a few out, set that aside, and compare the two. Old on the left, new on the right. And that is nice. Same size and same design, as you see. Next removed from the packaging is a rocker switch cover with the blue lens. And again, you've got options. In addition, inside the box is a sheet of icon stickers, so you can basically label your rocker switch covers. Back to the rocker switches and covers. I've grabbed a cover with a blue lens, the little prong or stud right there that will go inside the little hole, and then these little tabs right here is where this portion of the rocker switch cover clip onto. And I'm not going to actually press it all the way in, so you will notice it is loose, but I just wanted to show you the blue lens compared to the red. Let me just move this one down a little bit. Look how easy those just pop off. See that? Blue and red. And again, you've got options. However, I'm going to remove that and remove that. Turn that back off. And coming up all the way to the top, as you notice, the top rocker switch cover has 2 lenses, and that is because this switch up top serves a dual purpose. Left is nav and right is just anchor. In other words, if I was to switch the rocker switch to the right, just the anchor light illuminates, not the red and green nav on the front of the boat. However, if I go all the way to nav on the left, you will see both lenses light up, and that indicates both our front red and green nav lights as well as our anchor light on the aft portion of the boat all light up at the same time. However, turning that off to the center and pulling that off. And I've set the old rocker switch covers aside, and again, just the inner little loop portion here. Not sure if you can make that out. These little loops right here are what connect onto the beveled plastic portions, one on top, one on bottom, 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock. And all I'm going to do is carefully bring this in and snap it into place. And it's easier to basically turn it on, snap it in place. We will patiently wait for our brand new dual lens cover to arrive, and we will install that. Taking a step back, and here they all are in action. And again, this is the old one.